How to fertilize Cotoneaster. Watering schedule. Spring, summer. Provide 1/2 to 1 inch of water per week, including rainfall. Fall, winter. Reduce watering from late August to mid-October to prevent winter damage. Resume deep watering in late fall before the ground freezes. Tip: last deep watering before winter helps prevent moisture deficiency. Fertilizing instructions. Spring. Apply fertilizer once annually. Use compost, slow-release nitrogen, or commercial sludge. Summer. For enhanced growth, spray a diluted liquid fertilizer with seaweed extract monthly for the first 3 months after the last frost. Fall. Stop fertilizing 2 months before the first frost to help plants harden off for winter. Tip: follow the package instructions. More fertilizer isn't better. Mulching best practices layer. Depth: 2 to 4 inches of organic mulch, chopped leaves, pine needles, or wood chips. Coverage area: extend mulch to the tips of the branches, but keep it away from the main stem to avoid decay and rodent damage. Tip: use landscape fabric under mulch to control weeds when planting ground covers. Avoid using unchopped leaves or peat moss as they can hinder water absorption. Pruning and grooming minimal. Pruning: only remove branches for shaping or cutting out dead wood. Tip: lightly prune in early spring to encourage thicker, more vigorous growth. Want to learn more? Visit our website and follow the URL. Get expert advice, tools, and guides on Cotoneaster care. Like, share, and subscribe our channel.